Assalamualaikum and very good morning. Masri Sani Bin Kasmoi from Isuzu Malaysia Trainer. From the efficiency of a 1.9-litre engine to the powerhouse of 3-litre engine, the D-Max proves that stock doesn't mean soft. At Isuzu, we built the D-Max to tackle Borneo Safari year after year. These engines and the strong leather frame platform are engineered for real Malaysian terrain, not just the showroom. This platform is the backbone, giving strength, stability, and comfort even fully loaded. Borneo Safari is our toughest proving ground. Every year, we push these trucks to the limit, and every year, the D-Max keeps proving itself. Both the 1.9-litre and 3-litre D-Max come packed with off-road features for Borneo Safari. Terrain command let you choose 2 high, 4 high or 4 low on demand, rough terrain mode. And the rear differential lock keep you moving through ruts and mud, while hill descent control take care of the steep downhills. Protection where it counts, strength without the weight penalty. When the going gets tough, the D-Max isn't just looking after itself, it's the one rescuing others. Capability comes with responsibility. Out here, reliability means you don't just finish the trail, you help the rest of the convoy finish it too. From showroom floor to Borneo Safari, minimal mods, stock driveline, the core strength is built in. Whether it's tackling the jungle, crossing rivers, or helping others, Isuzu D-Max 1.9-litre and 3-litre, built with Isuzu Dynamic Platform, are engineered to thrive where others fail. Borneo Safari is our benchmark. The D-Max is built to conquer it year after year, and those same strengths are what you get every day on the road.